What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus against the Xiaomi 12. So we have the Exynos 2200 versus the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Both of the phones have 8GB of RAM and they both have a heavily skinned version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 12. It has the Exynos 2200 CPU and the AMD Xclipse 920 GPU, as this is the European model, and it has 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi 12. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 12. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU and the Exynos 730 GPU and 8GB of RAM. In round 1, the Galaxy S22 Plus wins by 4 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Galaxy S22 Plus wins by 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus won overall. Now in terms of the pricing, the Galaxy S22 Plus costs more than the Xiaomi 12, but overall it is the better phone. It has better cameras, USB 3.1 for video out, and a promise of 4 years of software updates. Now if you have found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.